Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Here on the transom, you'll see this boat does have the port and starboard aft seats. This also has the teak boarding step on the back as well. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 90 command thrust. And it does have a 25-gallon M4 fuel tank. Here at the helm, you got a flip-flop seat in case you like to stand up and drive. A live well under the seat. This new console allows you to flush mount GPS fish finder right here in front of the wheel. You do have plug-ins, 12-volt and USB MP3 right here with a compass. This particular boat does have a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. As we move forward, you'll see a forward cooler with backrest, rod holder storage, knife and pliers. This one does have a large full-length fish box, a separate anchor locker, and a trolling motor panel already in place for your trolling motor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.